Indulge in the tropical elegance with this charming two-bedroom penthouse for sale in Bavaro, Punta Cana, offering a distinctive touch to the renowned Punta Cana real estate market. Priced at $279,000, this residence is a sanctuary of sophistication and comfort. Encompassing 138 square meters, the penthouse features 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The allure of this property is heightened by a private terrace, providing an intimate outdoor space to relish the Caribbean breeze. Adding a touch of exclusivity, an interior staircase connects to this enticing rooftop retreat. The thoughtfully designed interior captures the essence of coastal living, combining modern amenities with a tasteful aesthetic. Located in Bavaro, residents have easy access to pristine beaches and vibrant local attractions. This charming penthouse represents a unique opportunity to own a piece of Punta Cana's allure, where every detail is curated for a lifestyle that seamlessly blends sophistication with the laid-back ambiance of paradise. Schedule your visit today and step into your dream home.